Hey gang, this is Randy here, still on the GL1500 GOLDWING. I don't recall how the hot air pipe, they call it, was removed. It's been about a month and a half I've been working on this dang thing. Anyway, it says connect the hot air pipe to the hot air chamber first, then connect the pipe with the connecting rubber. Set the pipe so that the pipe protector can be attached to the ignition coil as shown. And so there it is. Usually they say something about since you took it off, put it back on in reverse. I'll tell you what, apparently I didn't take enough pictures. I was counting on this service manual. So I'm taking things apart again. Doggone it. I'll probably get it done by the time snow flies. But anyway, let me show you what I got going, what I found out. I took the air cleaner off. I managed to run the pipe up here. I've got extra pipe. I've looked on goldwingdocs.com. They don't have much to say about it. Sorry about that. Anyhow, this is what I've got going. This is what I figured out with between the picture and this. Over here, there's a little opening here, as you can see. I was thinking that it might come up that way, but it doesn't. It just runs along, and the coils. Let's see, I'm going to turn my light on. The coil is directly down there, two coils. Okay, well, you run this pipe under here. This attachment fits up through there. And this gizmo, there it is, and that will set right on top. This connects to the air cleaner, and then it clamps down. Once again, this is a tight fit. I have something called chemo brain. And my doctor says, well, Randy, you might have, that's what happens. With some people after they have chemotherapy, but you're old too. And well, he's right about both. So unfortunately, I've got the chemo brain, and I didn't write every bloody thing down as I was tearing it apart. So anyway, it's a good thing. I've been an hour and a half again out here. It's a Sunday, and it's raining, and we needed the rain really badly. So that's a good thing. So I have a solution, and since there's basically nothing on the internet that shows this. And some poor guy or gal is going to run across this. I hope it helps you. I hope it helps somebody. I have another one about the radiators, but I'll do it at another time. I want to keep this short. Please wear your masks. Get your shots. I can't get my already replaced hip that's failed, it's failing, operated on, because the assholes that aren't wearing their masks are getting their shots, have clogged up the hospitals. So that's my rant. Take care, stay safe. Everybody has an opinion. Everybody has a right to get the shots or not. But you're doing a disservice to others, and in my opinion, our country. Apparently, China has 75% of their population done so far. Think about that one. Take care, stay safe, sunny side up.